So Yoshiko, I recently read an article in National Geographic magazine, and according to this article, bamboo is actually classed as a superfood because of the many health benefits it has.
Yes, that's right.
It says bamboo naturally has lots of protein, fiber and vitamins, and is low in fat and calories. Yet every time I see these bamboo shoots in Chinatown, I always wonder, how on earth do you cook them?
I get it. Their size and thick brown skin can look a little intimidating, but when they are in season in springtime in Japan, it is a must-have vegetable on your plate.
So fresh bamboo shoots are that much tastier than bamboo out of a can, or the boiled bamboo you find in vacuum packs?
Yes, and today I will show you step by step how to cook fresh bamboo shoots the authentic Japanese way.
And I still remember our trip to the world-famous Arashiyama bamboo forest in Kyoto.
Me too. It was such a beautiful place.
And so today we enjoy fresh bamboo shoots while thinking back on the great days in Kyoto.
Well, here's the most important thing. Fresh bamboo shoots have to be cooked as soon as you get them. Freshness matters more for bamboo than almost any other vegetable.
So buying day is cooking day. All right, let's do it.
Do you remember I talked about togijiru in our episode on Japanese white rice?
Tokijiru is the cloudy white water produced when we wash the Japanese rice, right?
Yes, togijiru is the best thing to use for boiling fresh bamboo shoots.
Really? Why is that?
Togijiru helps reduce the bitterness of the raw bamboo shoots.
Ah, okay. So this white liquid is doing all the hard work. But what if we don't have any togijiru?
In that case, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of uncooked Japanese white rice in the boiling water.
Aha. So now we cut the bottom off the bamboo shoot, about half an inch, and then remove a few of the outer layers of the husk. We cut off the top diagonally and slit the bamboo lengthwise to a depth of about a third of an inch or so. And then we add the bamboo shoots to the togijiru in the big pot and heat to a boil.
We also add 1 to 2 dried red chili, which are called takanotsume in Japanese. That also helps reduce bitterness. And keep boiling on medium heat.
And I notice the bamboo shoots are floating in the pot, but they really need to stay fully underwater when boiling, right?
Yes, some Japanese people use a drop lid called otoshibuta, but if you don't have one, you can use a stainless steel steam rack, like me, to gently hold them down or whatever you have handy. Then cover with a lid.
And how long do we boil the bamboo shoots for?
It depends on the size, but simmer for at least 1 hour.
Okay, and after that time, open the lid and test the tenderness of the bamboo with a skewer. Stick it into the thickest part of the bamboo shoot. And you need to keep simmering until the skewer penetrates smoothly right to the center of the bamboo.
Yes, once that happens, remove the stainless steel steaming rack and turn off the heat. We cover again with the lid and let the pot cool down completely.
Ah, okay, and how long does that take?
It will take several hours to cool down completely to room temperature.
Ah, that's great. And I have time for a snooze on the sofa while the bamboo shoots are snoozing in the warm bath.
Yes, you can go and have a snooze. Dream of a bamboo dinner in Kyoto.
Okay, I will. Alright, so after several hours of snoozing, we now can take the tender bamboo shoots out of the pot.
Yes, first, gently remove the brown husk under cold running water. Trim off any brown parts at the top or the bottom of each shoot.
And then they go back into fresh cold water again?
Yes, they need to be kept in cold water until we are ready to use. At this point, you can keep them in the refrigerator for a day or two, but I recommend eating them as soon as possible.
Yeah. The longer the bamboo shoots stay in the water, the more they lose their umami and start to have less flavor. And we really don't want that. So now how do we use the boiled bamboo shoots?
There are many traditional ways to enjoy bamboo shoots in Japan. Simmer dishes, bamboo rice, bamboo tempura. I also often mix chopped bamboo into gyoza dumpling filling.
It all sounds great, but what would you suggest to be the easiest and tastiest way, especially for people who are new to cooking bamboo shoots?
I recommend pan-grilled them.
Oh, that sounds good too.
So today I will show you two of my favorite dishes made from pan-grilled bamboo shoots. One is with butter and soy sauce. The other one is with miso and mayonnaise.
They both sound delicious. So first, we cut each shoot in half lengthwise. Look at that nice clean color.
Right? Then slice the bamboo shoots, about 7 slices for each half. Heat a frying pan on medium heat and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, add the bamboo slices and pan grill for 1.5 minutes on one side.
And since the bamboo is already cooked and tender, we just want the slices to be a bit crispy on the surface, right?
Exactly. Flip them and pan grill another 1.5 minutes until the surface on both sides has nice brown color and they are ready. Add a little soy sauce to taste.
Butter and soy sauce. That's easy and it looks delicious.
Yes, it's especially tasty to eat while they are still hot from the pan. The second version is with miso mayo sauce.
And this is how to go about making the sauce. We mix together 1 teaspoon miso, half a teaspoon of Kewpie mayonnaise, quarter teaspoon of sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of water.
I used hacho miso, which is a deep red miso made from soybeans.
Yeah, I know that's your favorite, but I guess you can use any miso you have available for this dish, right?
Yes, and if sansho pepper leaves are in season and you can purchase them, add some chopped fresh sansho pepper leaves for an extra distinctive flavor.
Now this time we heat the frying pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil.
I used olive oil, but sesame oil is also good.
And as before, add the bamboo slices and pan grill for 1.5 minutes on each side. And that's it, they're ready.
Add some miso mayo sauce to taste.
Both versions look so delicious. I can't wait to try them.
Let's eat while they are hot.
Itadakimasu!
Love Japanese food? Let's make it easy at home.
Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out our website for more tips and recipes. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Got questions or requests? Drop a comment. We love to hear from you. Stay hungry, stay curious.
Happy cooking!